The next Xbox has officially been announced. During Xbox's showcase at Summer Games Fest here in Los Angeles, Xbox announced a new version of its Series X console, along with new color options for its current Series X and S. I'm going to run through all the new hardware and what it means for you. The first and biggest news is the new Robot White Xbox Series X all-digital edition that doesn't have a disk drive. We actually got leaked photos of this box a couple months ago. This all-digital Series X matches the current launch Series X with 1 terabyte of solid-state hard drive space. The all-digital X will retail for $450, a $50 drop in price from the current Series X. Personally, I say you pay the extra $50 and get yourself a disk drive version, giving yourself more options to how to play your games. The next hardware update is a new color option for the current Series X. This speckled black option is titled the Galaxy Black Special Edition and will have twice as much SSD storage at 2 terabytes. It also features a green base plate and a unique matching controller color. This Galaxy Black Edition will retail for $600, a $100 increase in price. This price increase is pretty similar to what you'd pay for a standard Black Series X and the additional storage add-on that Microsoft sells, so this would be a fine deal if you're interested in the special color palette. The third and last hardware announcement is for the Series S. Originally launched in white with 512 gigabytes of hard drive space, then last year we saw the Black Series S get a bump to 1 terabyte. This new white Series S matches the 1 terabyte storage option. It will retail for $350, the same price as the Black S last year. All 3 consoles are set to launch this holiday 2024 with no specific release date, and pre-orders are coming soon. So what do you think of all this new hardware? Does any of it interest you? Do you like the new color? Is any of it worth upgrading for you? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.